then. As if I see a
sun in my face because we've not had much sun today.
Oh.
And once we go back,
then we are in for a treat.
Once we go back, the sun is on our face.
Yes. Another good beds here. I think they've all been allowed to extend the opening hours. Michelin, 2025. It's written there. It's a Michelin. They've got a Michelin star.
Ah, yes. What's the name?
You can ask him.
The food should be good there.
Food should be good. You take it off. Just work like all the other girls. They're all sleeveless.
Is it okay with us?
You do what you want to. Feel free to. That's ridiculous. Just leave your thing. You want to stand like everyone else, you do like everyone else.
It's the same name as a restaurant, PLAYA El Duque.
Yes, it's getting sunnier. I can feel it in my hands.
It's too much to make a U-turn, I'm afraid. I'm not forcing you anything either.
Just planning. That cake is as penalizing as my beer.
You need to burn it off. My blood is here.
No cheesecake anymore then.
C'est the end point. Tiens, mais attends, mais fais ça. a bit from
Look, stabilizing force, like in the cinema.
colors of the water here are amazing.
Yeah, it's much more bluish.
Just like in this that's supposed to look like my t-shirt.
Yeah. It's the sky. Sky makes it blue. Where is he? Is he on my left? I'm trying to get him. Trying to get him on my...
Yeah, but we have the shade, you know.
Yeah, but where is he, the statue?
I think we cannot catch him with us.
Oh, this way. Yeah. We are going. It's too close.
It's perfect.
How are we going?
So it's 5:15. Can you remember?
What?
5:15 when we make a U-turn.
Yeah, we'll be there at 7 or something. Because
We're very happy with my...
you anticipate that we'll be stopping at some point.
Yeah.